Backlinks are links from other websites that point to your site. They're one of the most important trust signals in SEO. When a reputable website links to yours, it tells Google that your content is valuable and trustworthy. It's like a vote of confidence, and more quality backlinks usually lead to better rankings. But not all backlinks are equal. Links from relevant, respected sites are far more valuable than spammy or unrelated ones. You can build backlinks by creating useful content people want to share, getting listed in trusted directories, being featured on blogs or local news sites, or partnering with other businesses. Avoid shortcuts like buying links. It can damage your rankings. Backlinks take time to build, but they're one of the most powerful ways to improve your site's visibility. Subscribe for tomorrow's tip and visit bottletopcreative.com for help building links the right way.